Hello guys, just want to show you how winter storm look like here in Wisconsin. We're having our winter storm today. It started this morning, but I think we're getting a bunch of snow now. So it's already dipped. It's about 6 inches of snow now. So it's harder to walk here because snow is already high, already dipping. This is where I normally walk. This is the route I go around here in our pond. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like now. I went live but then I'm not sure everything is successfully posted. So now I'm re-recording it. So yeah, this is our pond. And it's winter storm right now. It's really cold, windy, very windy. And yeah, it's very cold. So I'm not sure how long is the winter storm warning gonna be here and how many inches we're gonna get. So yeah, this is what it's like to get a winter storm. A lot of people are staying home because the roads are all slippery and people are trying to get up road because it's slippery, and a lot of accident happen during winter, especially winter storm, because it's hard to drive and not a lot of roads are all salted and it's hard to drive. So yeah, that's our winter storm. I better get in now because it's getting cold. It's really windy right now. So yeah, that's our winter storm here in our area. Very quiet and a lot of people stays home. I think I'm scared to drive when it's snowing because it's no fun driving when it's snowing. So yeah, there you go. So okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye.